Hello and welcome to FX Empire's review of Etoro. Etoro is one of the largest brokers, especially for the newer trader. They really tend to kind of specialize in them as well because the platform and the social aspects of this broker are so inviting to the new trader. The website, as you can see, has an education center, and it includes live webinars. There's a forex trading guide, an e-course, 10 top 10 trading tips, and the actual education center itself. So there are plenty of value-added services at the broker. They are registered with the FSA in the UK as well as some other regulatory bodies. The various platforms, one of which I'd like to bring to your attention is the open book. And the open book is essentially, as you can see from the screenshot, is simply a listing of different traders and a ranking of how they're doing for that time period. And it shows you, as you can see here, it's popping up a live trading view, and it shows you the trader here gained 59.4% on a Swiss yen trade. You have the ability to copy the trades that you like, follow specific guys and girls out there, and you can see there's top performers, over the last week, 3 months, 1 month. So it is a good way to kind of expand your account as you are learning to trade. The website shows various, it shows some various markets and stuff, and it does offer CFDs, oil, gold, and silver, as well as indices such as the Dow Jones 30, the Nasdaq, S&P 500, etc. So you do have the ability to trade all of those as well. Looking at some of the other advantages to using eToro is the fact that they do have fixed spreads. There is they can be a little bit higher than some other brokers, but they're only about a pip higher on average, so it's not a massive difference, and it's certainly worth the spread difference when you are talking about, especially the open book platform. It really helps you. You can kind of get a feel for the market because remember, this is a representation of traders, and as such, you can take this almost as a sample, like a commitment of traders type kind of indicator. You notice a lot of people buying the Euro USD, for example. It may give you hints as to where the market in general is coming from. The broker has quick and simple deposit processes. As far as with withdrawals, you can use PayPal, paper checks, banks, wires, credit cards, debit cards, etc. And the accounts can be started with as little as $250 or the equivalent in your local currency. It's a great way to learn how to trade as you watch other traders do their thing. The customer service is top notch, and it is available in over 20 languages. So, depending on where you're calling from, there's a really good chance that they speak either your primary language or perhaps your secondary language. The platform that we will look at is the Web Trader, and as you can see, it's a pretty standard deal here, where it shows you, up and down and the various products that they sell. For example, there's oil. We do a chart, and we can pull a chart up, loading the data, and of course, let's go ahead and pull up, for example, let's go ahead and pull up the silver chart instead. Here we go. And silver, you can see that it is 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, 24 hour, of course, being the daily chart. So let's pull up the 1 hour chart, and you can see that silver is in a little bit of a bull run here recently. You can choose the mode, line, candlestick, so it has the ability to do either. You can also draw some basic technical indicators on this. For example, draw a trend line. You can do one of those. pretty straightforward stuff. It's nice. It's clean. It's very easy to go. Go ahead and switch this over, and let's just say we want to buy that, and then the risk level, uh, you know, the amount, stop loss, like so. It's very simple. You want to risk only $400. You want to take profit at $400, or maybe you want to make it a 3-to-1 type trade. You do that, and you click on open trade, and you also can select to carry your trade over the weekend as well. So it's pretty straightforward. Etoro is well known around the world, so there's plenty of executed trades in the background and such, and because of that, it is pretty straightforward, well trusted, and a pretty good broker to start your forex career on, and as well as traders who are looking for a little bit of variety and the ability to trade some indices as well. Because of the fact that it is eToro, you can trade in small amounts instead of going out into the futures markets, for example. Uh, some of these futures contracts are very expensive, and through eToro you can do it in much smaller lots.